So I think you are ready to speak about civilization. And these days you are living in modern civilization. So, and you knew much about civilization. And I think I have got some names, not some, but I think I have got all the names. ये क्या करने लगते हो रे तुम? ये क्या है रे ये?
क्या सर?
तुमने इस मैसेज बॉक्स को क्या बना रखा है तुमने? हैं?
मैंने
अगर
नहीं लिखा,
तुमने
मैं
इस
सर
मैसेज
नाम
बॉक्स को
लिखा।
बना क्या रखा है तुम लोगों ने? काफ फैन, वैन स्टोन, क्या है ये? दिल्ली से है, गर्मा गर्म पकौड़े, क्या है? गेम
मेरे बारे
स्टोरी
में बात
स्टोरी, ये क्या है
करेंगे।
रे तुम्हारा ये? हैं? तुम इसको भर देते हो बुरी तरीके से और मेरे को खाली करना पड़ता है इसको। पता है कितनी मेहनत होती है इसको खाली करने में? सो ओके, विदाउट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम,
Sir, I have a doubt.
यस,
Sir, are we required to speak from the notes only, or can we speak by can we give our own thoughts too?
ऑन थॉट्स, बट इफ यू नीड यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर नोट्स.
Okay, sir.
It is not mandatory, it is not compulsory, but if you like you can take the help of your notes. Okay, so the topic is clear to you and we are starting with Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Hauser, and today my topic is civilization. As we all know that today we are living in a world where all the people are civilized except a few exceptions. And civilized civilization means that we are living at a particular place without moving and living our life there only without walking here and there with our whole needs. Like in the past times, there were the people who were hunter gatherers who were not civilized. Like they eat up their food, they kill an animal and eat up their food there, and then they move to a second place. So they in this way they were continuously in movement. They were in a continuous movement. But nowadays all are civilized, all and for maintaining this peace and civilized nature, the government has introduced many laws and regulations which consider the consider safety on the topmost priority of any person. Like if a person is safe, then only he can do other things. So in civilization, the foremost thing is safety, and foremost thing is safety and law. And nowadays you are in any trouble, then you can go to courts, police office, policemen, and etc. That will take out you from the that will take out you from the situation. Um, but it was not the same in the past times, because there were no civilized people. Only there were kings and monarchs which were considering their safety on top priority, and there were nobles who used to use other lower class category people uh, as a slaves. Like in India, there was a system of hierarchy. Like on top there were Brahmins, then Kshatriya, Vaishya, and then Shudra and Vaishya. And the top three were okay with their surrounding and with their living. But the last was Shudra. Sir, what was the last? What were the last people that used to do the work of cleaning and etc.
शूद्र ही थे वो, शूद्र में ही माना जाता था.
Okay, sir. And but at the last there were Sudra who were considered untouchables, and they were ruled by the topmost castes. But nowadays it is not so. A person has his own dignity, and if someone does not allow him to live near him, then he can just directly go to the court and appeal for something.
शाबाश.
And here, here the first and foremost thing of civilization is completed in this today's world. And second thing is health. If you can only stay at a particular place if your health is good. And in the today the people are more weaker than the past, because today they are asthmatic. Sir, what was that?
Sorry.
So what was that word? Today there are anesthetics that cures a person.
एनेस्थीसिया.
Anesthesia. Okay, sir.
एनेस्थेटिक अलग चीज होती है. हाँ.
Or that cures the person, but they have a side effect too, that they make the person weak. But in past times there were ayurveda that was very useful and not harmful to the person's health. They made them even more
पर्सन्स के जगह
powerful.
पीपल यूज किया करो. पीपल
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And because of it, the people nowadays are weak and lazy. And this can be a threat to civilization, because they will not do their work, and it can make a lack in the movement, a movement, lack in the movement. And the third, and in the past civilizations, the people who used to live, the people who were settled, they used to live in their own boxes. Not all were settled, but the person who were settled, the people who were settled at a particular place, they were living in their own area. No relation with the other persons out, other people outside the world. But nowadays, a person living in India can go to America and live there without any problem. And this is the very good thing of today's civilization touches.
क्या बात, बहुत अच्छे से बोला बेटा. वेरी गुड. सुने करें एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छे से आप लोग, है ना. रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling about the civilization of today. So we know that civilization is very important because because in a civilization we can find law and order, and also safety. That is very essential. That is very essential to live a good life in a country, because now it is common that there are laws and there is a safety, but do you think it was same as today? No. In old times there was not much safety as that is today. And in old times we can see there were in when we go much when we go much back, then we see that there were tribes living in boxes. Means one tribe living in one area
बहुत बढ़िया
and
बेटा.
the other tribe, yeah, in the other area. There were no communication between the two tribes. They lived both the tribes lived in different ways. And uh, and but also that time there were many wars, because of most of the peoples, almost every people was uncivilized.
एवरी नहीं बेटा,
And
पीपल प्लूरल होता है. एवरी वन वाज.
yes, sir, everyone was uncivilized, and there were many savages also, which wanted, which used to invade the other
शाबाश.
tribe,
बहुत बढ़िया.
and this led to many wars in the old time.
हम्म.
So that time was very difficult, but now we can say that as the world changed and improved, globalization came, and globalization is improving day by day, we can see. So we know that connections between countries is improving and becoming good, and wars are declining, and people are living peacefully. And how this how did this happen? This happened because civilization came, and people are becoming civilized, and they know what is wrong and what is right. So they are living their life in a peaceful way. And we know that and now we can see that anyone can go to any country by visa and passport for any purpose. And uh, and uh, also and we can see that the civilization play a very important role, because we know
प्लेस.
that it plays a
परफॉर्म
very
लगाना पड़ता
important
है.
role, because when we study our past, we know about only few civilizations like the Indus Valley civilization. But we get in old times there were other tribes also which had their own land and community, but we do not know about them because they were not civilized.
शाबाश.
and and on the other end, the Indus Valley civilization was developing and becoming civilized, so we know about it. So and for civilization, this is very important to have a constitution, fundamental rights for every citizen, and the own dignity of a citizen, and these all things we can see in a democratic country.
Mm.
So we can see there is a big difference in old and new civilization.
Shabash.
So so we can conclude that civilization is breaking down the borders of the world and making the world united.
Shabash.
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Yes, now I think this is the turn of Gaurav.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I am Gaurav here, and my today's topic is uh, today's civilization. So, first of all, humans, when humans were developing, they were monkeys, and they evolved from the monkeys to uncivilized people who ate anything, literally anything. If they found an animal just walking peacefully, so they will eat it. Then, after some thousands of years, uh, then uh, at almost 1 lakh years ago, we learned how to ignite fire, and some of us, got civilized, and we also got some knowledge of medicines and how to control people, means brainwashing.
Hmm.
So then we we means humans made different countries, different groups, different religions, and there was a little partition between same species. Then so then we got civilized, but in with our own religions or groups. With other, the behavior of us with other groups was not quite good. Wars were happening, and everywhere it was destruction. Then some people, some groups made team, and by strategies they targeted another group and then attacked on it. And then the sense of friendship started from here. Then and after many thousands and lakhs and hundreds of thousands of years, we are now this much civilized that our main priority is only safety, to get safe in our homes. Now I can freely speak, and no one is going to rob my house or kidnap me or snatch my things, my own personal things, and no one can get into my house without my or my parents' permission. Uh, and with the help of some schools, there are some features in the school that does not allow bad people to kidnap kids from the school. Like you try to be in the disguise of a parent of a child and try to kidnap it. It's not possible because you have to bring the gate pass, which is only with the parents, the real parents of that kid. My school also has a gate pass if there's an emergency. If my parents want to pick up me uh hmm, from me from my school, so they will bring the gate pass and pass the security check, and then they will take me. And also, we are civilized and we have developed so much that there are also wars happening now, but it has decreased by a very huge number. Means now the only uncivilized cities like America and Pakistan are doing wars, which is not good. Some people are civilized in those countries also, but the main uncivilized peoples are the presidents and the prime minister of those countries. But now we got medicines that can heal us from any disease and any health issue. But today's medicine does have a side effect of weakening us, and like painkillers can really kill us. And also there are many, if you take a medicine, I used to listen this very time in my childhood that if you don't have stomach ache, so don't take the medicine of stomach ache. You will get stomach ache in the return. And it's true because you don't the disease that you want to cure and you are taking medicine of it, so it will take side effect. But in Ayurveda, it's not possible. Ayurveda is very Ayurveda is the medical science of India, ancient India, and it doesn't have any side effects at all. So we have been civilized a little bit, but we have to be more civilized, and we have to make the countries that are uncivilized also civilized. That's it. Thank you, sir.
आज थोड़ा सा फ्लो कम अच्छा लगा, और आज आपका जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज था वो इतना हिल रहे थे ना, आप बार बार आगे पीछे हो रहे थे, इसकी वजह से गड़बड़ हुआ है आज। अगर आप चेयर पे बैठे हुए होते तो बहुत अच्छा होता। क्लियर हो गया? यानी कि हमारा जो पोस्चर होता है ना बेटा बैठने का, और वो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। ओके, बाकी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है आपका, नेक्स्ट टाइम ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा। ओके, यस, नाउ अंजलि।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is today's civilization. So, today we want safety to sir roaming से घूमना
हाँ,
मतलब
टू रोम।
to roam in market because anyone snatch your phone on bike and
आराम।
anything it is important and they can snatch it if you have anything expensive in your hand and if you are walking with it, if the bike come and snatch it and go, you do not know where it gone. So but in the past there are boxes and the boxes
देयर वर बॉक्सेज, जब पास्ट की बात कर रहे हो।
there were boxes and the boxes were countries like, and you know that there is one thing it is sometime that one there are tribals, so there
वर आएगा या आवाज
many
आएगा? पास्ट का बता रहे हो ना आप?
there were many
थोड़ा
of
फोकस
types
करो।
of
हाँ।
tribals and there were there was one type that is king, and the second type was not king. And sir
और
ऐसे
अच्छे
कैसे
से बोलो,
कहेंगे
अभी सेंटेंसेस प्रॉपर नहीं आ
उनकी
रहे
बात
आपके।
नहीं मानी जाती हो, मतलब ऐसे नहीं कह सकते उनकी बात नहीं मानी जाती,
दे वर नॉट फॉलोड।
they are not followed
वर वर
and
वर पास्ट का बोल रहे हो ना?
were not followed. But
हाँ।
in the second box, the second type is king and the first type is not. The first type is not followed. So, like when the human are were monkeys in past, and today we are doing something bad. We are cutting trees without minding they can help us in future, and we are doing too much pollution, and sometimes we are eating bad food, bad quality food.
Hmm.
So it can affect our health.
Hmm.
And you know that Aravali was cutting. If you do, if in a, in future Aravali will help because there are too many trees. They give us oxygen.
Hmm.
They are between the Thar desert and the Greenland, means the green. The Aravali protect the protect us from the desert. लू को क्या बोलते हैं? हवा
Sunstroke.
चलती है.
Sunstroke.
Sunstorm. And if we cut Aravali, the sandstorm come here and lose the and come here and destroy our homes.
Hmm.
I don't know that Aravali cutting means Aravali was cutting it. It is reality. It is banned or not. I do not know. And when there is no water, I do not know which time there was no water. So Aravali give the water. And there are too many minerals in it. And for minerals,
नहीं, आप सिविलाइजेशन पे बोल रहे हो, किस पे बोल रहे हो, कहाँ पहुंच गए?
तो civilization,
सिविलाइजेशन का
तो
क्या लेना देना
civilization
है?
का मतलब
जब आप बोल रहे हो
है.
उससे मिनरल्स का और इनका और उनका, सिविलाइजेशन का क्या लेना देना है इन चीजों से?
सही है तो होता है.
क्या होता है?
तो पढ़ा नहीं है.
तो इसीलिए कहता ना, सुनो आप ध्यान से लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं. गौरव ने कैसे बोला, अभी हर्षित ने कैसे बोला, बोलो खैर, अभी आप कॉलो कंप्लीट करो,
So
फोकस करो टॉपिक के ऊपर बेटा.
civilization, past, in past we do not want safety, too much safety.
अब तो दोबारा आ गए आप, इतना बोलते बोलते कहाँ चले गए थे आप?
तो civilization पे आ गई ना.
आगे दोबारा बोलोगे क्या वो सारा का सारा आप?
नहीं तो ये नहीं बोला था मैंने.
आगे ध्यान रखो,
या
टेंस का ध्यान रखो. आप पास्ट की बात कर रहे हो, डू नॉट लगा रहे हो. माइंड में स्ट्राइक करना चाहिए ना कि पास्ट है तो डिड नॉट आना चाहिए. माइंड में स्ट्राइक तो करना चाहिए ना, तभी तो काम चलेगा. अब इतना स्ट्राइक नहीं करोगे आप तो फिर तो वही बात हो गई ना. ध्यान क्या है फिर तुम्हारा, कहाँ है ध्यान? या तो तुमको पास्ट टेंस का पता नहीं, या तुमको ध्यान नहीं कि मुझे पास्ट टेंस यूज करना है. फिर बोलो, आप बोलो.
too much safety
फोकस
in
करो थोड़ा सा,
past.
ऐसे थोड़ी कुछ भी बोल दोगे. हाँ,
Too much safety in past. अरे बहुत बोलो.
अब आप गड़बड़ हो गए. आप कोई बात सुना करो बेटा, पहले 4-5 लोगों को अच्छे से लिसनिंग किया करो प्रॉपरली, ठीक है ना? हाँ, आज आपका गड़बड़ कर दिया आपने मामला. एक तो सेंटेंसेस आपने प्रॉपर नहीं बनाए, अच्छा करते हो, पर आज आपने बहुत जल्दबाजी कर दी, कहीं के कहीं पहुंच गए. फोकस करो बेटा टॉपिक के ऊपर और सुना करो पहले. आप गौरव को छोड़ दो, आपकी गौरव के साथ आपने नाम लिख दिया. गौरव तो पहले नंबर पे भी लिख सकता है. आपको लेकिन सुनना होता है अच्छे से क्या बोल रहे हैं लोग, तब फिर बोलना होता है आपको. कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम से ध्यान रखना, थोड़ा सा अच्छे से कोशिश करना. और ये
तो
ना
कोई
मैं
डाल ही नहीं रहा था.
हैं,
कोई डाल ही नहीं रहा था ना नाम उस टाइम, तो मैंने
नहीं
डाल
डाल
दिया.
रहा होगा तो क्यों नहीं डाल रहा था? डालने वाले डाल देते अपने आप. आपका ये टेंशन थोड़ी क्योंकि नाम नहीं डाल रहा. चलो कोई बात नहीं. हर्षित,
वाह.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Archit Moore, and today's my topic
सुनो
is
ध्यान से जरा
the.
कैसे बोल रहे हैं ये लोग. सुनो ध्यान से, सेंटेंसेस को देखो, मैटर को देखो, तब जाकर के बेटा आएगा. सुनो अब इनको ध्यान से, बोलो बेटा.
Yes, sir. Today's my topic is the modern civilization. So, as we all know very well, that civilization basically means the development of any society or any country. And we all know very well that our country or our whole world has developed very much from the ancient time. And in the pre modern society, we could see that there was no civilization and people used to do anything, whether whatever they like to do. Just like we may take the example of quarrel, where earlier if people had quarrels, then they used to quarrel without any reason, and the one who was powerful used to win the war. But
शाबाश
nowadays we know very well that in our country there is well organized education system, technology, and also there are rules and regulations on which our country run. And if nowadays we may see that if there is any fight, then the one who is powerful does not always win. The one who will go to one who will use the laws and rules and regulations may also win with the helps of court, and also with the help of police that we see nowadays are there. And we see that our modern civilization has also made our life easy by providing us many things which we use in our day to day life, which were not in pre modern civilization, just like mobile phones, television, which have also developed our country and made our work easy. And we may see that nowadays we are able to communicate and interpret with any type of country, and just like with the help of IT sector. And nowadays we may see that we may go here and there, and all the countries are open for everyone. And but in earlier time the people did not even know where the country and what are countries, and they only used to know the places where they live.
शाबाश
Just like we may take the example of tribes who only used to live in their own places and had their own places. And if we see that they did not know if there is any part of a whole country which is too big, and only they used to know their land which was not that big. So in this way we may see that our civilization that we are consisting of today is very modern and useful. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया सुना करो सब लोग ध्यान से थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस क्लियर होने चाहिए थॉट्स क्लियर होने चाहिए तब जाके मजा आता है सुनोगे तब इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा तुम्हारे अंदर ऐसे नहीं होगा तब तक आप सुनोगे नहीं ना ढंग से इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं होगा और अपना मत सोचते रहो कि आपको क्या बोलना है वो नहीं रहेगा आपके दिमाग में सुनने का टाइम है तो सुनने पे फोकस करो आप कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलो तब जाकर के मजा आएगा यस कम ऑन अनुज
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj. Today, the topic is the civilization of today. So, first of all, the civilization is a complex society in which there is there is all about the development of a society or humans, and there are different countries have their different civilizations, and we have Indus Valley civilization for India and Pakistan. And yes, sir.
बोलो शाबाश अच्छा है बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो
Yes, sir. And I researched it, yesterday that the greatest civilization in the world is the ancient Egypt civilization. And the pyramids of Giza was in it, and were in it. And civilization is all about is about safety, art, structure, human development, etc. And safety is one of the most important thing that we are having today. But still, we are not safe, or especially women's are not safe still today. And although there are courts or police stations or the helpers where you can go and ask for help, and they can they can solve the problem as much as they can.
शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया
But still there are thieves, there are snatchers, and there are robbers who does
Do.
like who do whatever they want.
Hmm.
And safety, you can understand the meaning of safety that sir told yesterday that artist could not make art without safety, and a scientist could not cannot research without safety.
Hmm.
And this is how the safety really important is.
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो,
And
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बोलते रहो.
yes, sir. So our civilization is not God given. It is developed by humans for humans.
Hmm.
And there we have Indian Constitution, uh, uh, according to which we live, the laws and the orders. And yes, sir, and we should follow the civilization. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. No.
Sir, sir, I am audible.
Yes.
So, hello everyone and good evening to all of you. So now I am presenting some thoughts on civilization of today. So as you know, at the past time we did not have नहीं ये क्या बोल रहे हो नहीं as you know that we are very civilized by the by the help of our brain,
With the help of our brain.
with the help of our brain. And as you know that in today's time some
Present time. Today nahi, in present time.
in present time some children are kidnapping from their schools or
Are being kidnapped. कैसे बोल
are
जाएगा वो?
okay sir are being kidnapped by the kidnappers. As you know, today's children are very clever. They do not go with them who give chocolate.
Hmm.
They go with them who is talking about any fight in his or her house and about the सर बुराई को क्या बोलते हैं
Evil.
about the evil of any family member of kidnapper or who is kidnapping the child in that sir मामले को क्या बोलते हैं
Matter.
in that matter the child is kidnapped. So as you know that in past time there was nothing related to safety. People move there and here without any jacket, sweater, inner, etc. They have only
Head. अच्छा बोलो बोलो आप बोलो.
they have only the skin of animals.
Head आएगा ना?
What? हाँ सर सॉरी सर कैमरा क्यों बंद कर लिया हाँ सर they have only the skin of animals. As you know at that time there is everything beautiful and
There was बेटा past का आता है तो हाँ.
was everything systematically and beautiful.
बोल बोल बोल.
So if like now suppose you can imagine that you are eating any fruit and you throw the seeds of fruit and in the in just say in on road in that time, not today's time, in on road. So um after you can after 2 or 3 weeks you saw a plant there.
Hmm.
Plant there. The plant is because of the 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 fertile because of the fertilizing soil. As you know, in
बोल.
today's time, there is no fertile soil. We also have to um, um, mix fertilizers in it. After giving it fertilizer, it is not fertile like that time, because in that time the people do not have plastic.
Did not have.
Did not have plastic.
पर इसका सिविलाइजेशन से क्या लेना देना है बेटा? कहाँ पहुंच गई तू भी? कोई बात नहीं, पर बहुत अच्छा बोला तूने आज. जो भी बोल रही तू एकदम मस्त हो रही थी तू. कुछ भी बोले जा रही है, पर बेटा अपने को टॉपिक के ऊपर फोकस करना होता है. वही अंजलि की तरह इधर उधर भग गए अब.
सर वो एक वर्ड निकलता है ना तो सर.
कोई बात नहीं, बट कोई बात नहीं. तुम्हारा भी अच्छा था, अंजलि का भी अच्छा था. एक कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आप बोल रहे थे. सुनना जरूर आप. अब सुनना दूसरे लोगों को आप कैसे बोल रहे हैं, या रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुनना आप, है ना. और अगली बार और अच्छा करने की कोशिश करना बेटा, ठीक है?
ओके सर.
बाकी अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा आपने कोशिश की है. वेरी गुड, कोई बात नहीं. आ जाओ विपिन.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic name is the civilization of today. In present time, many people. In present time, people kidnap many children children in Delhi. In Delhi more kidnappers, and kidnappers give some things, and children go to with him.
With him, go with them, या with him. तू क्यों लगा रहे हो? Go with him. हाँ.
Go with them, and in past time सर होती थी को क्या बोलेंगे?
पूरा सेंटेंस बोलो आप.
होती थी पर कम होती थी पास्ट टाइम में.
There would be less incidents like that. हाँ.
Past time there would be less, and in present time
कोई बात नहीं है. अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि ये थोड़े से छोटे बच्चे हैं, तो थोड़ा सा जो टॉपिक था वो थोड़ा सा इनके लिए हैवी हो गया. कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन आप लोगों ने कोशिश बहुत अच्छी की. सबसे बड़ी बात ये है ना. और अगली बार हम थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखेंगे इस चीज को कि हमारे साथ छोटे बच्चे भी हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग चीजें हम करेंगे. ओके.
और छोटे बच्चे क्या सर संडे को नहीं आए थे?
अच्छा, छोटे बच्चे संडे को नहीं आए थे. तो संडे को नहीं आए थे छोटे बच्चे, तो रिकॉर्डिंग तो अवेलेबल थी. छोटे बच्चे रिकॉर्डिंग तो अवेलेबल थी बच्चा.
हाँ सर
छोटे बच्चे ने देखी नहीं. चलो कोई बात नहीं, अब देखा करो थोड़ा सा, है ना?
ओके
अब तुमको छोटे बच्चे नहीं कहेंगे आज के बाद, ठीक है? बड़े बच्चे कहेंगे।
सर, बड़े बच्चे नहीं, छोटे हैं।
छोटे कहे आपको?
हाँ सर।
चलो ठीक है, ओके। आ जाओ सिमरन।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा।
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Simran. Today's topic civilization.
Is civilization.
Okay, sir. Is civilization. And civilization is most important thing of every country. So civilization.
For every country बेटा, हर देश के लिए, यही है ना?
हाँ.
बोल।
Civilization means in modern civilization means safety and law.
शाबाश।
And so modern civilization is very good for everyone, because if there no safety, when
there is no safety beta,
if there is no safety, when we don't know go anywhere, and we can't imagine in this society, and without safety, the scientist could not find anything, and the artist could not make any beautiful things, and the investor could not invest if there no safety.
If there is no safety, हाँ बेटा।
If there is no safety.
धीरे धीरे बोल, आराम से, कोई चिंता मत कर।
So civilization is good, and we can see that other countries civilization, and there are happening many wars, and
बोल ना, बोल।
Okay, sir. And our country's civilization is more. Our country's civilization is very good, because we can go anywhere without fear, and we can do anything without fear, and if there anyone, I think any whoever सर लूटने को रॉबरी बोलते हैं ना?
रॉब वर्ब आ गया ना, रॉब। लूट भी बोल सकते हो आप, लूटने को लूट भी बोल सकते हो आप, इंग्लिश का वर्ड लूट, LOOT।
सर लूट एनी बैंक when we can case on the person, and it is result of our civilization, and so we should save our civilization. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया। अभी तेरा कॉन्फिडेंस आने लग गया तेरे अंदर, है ना? और जितना फोकस करके बोलेगी ना बेटा, जल्दबाजी कुछ नहीं करना है तेरे को, है ना? आराम से तसल्ली से सोचो, फ्रेम करो सेंटेंस को, फ्रेजेस को एडजस्ट करो, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से करो बेटा, है ना? हो जाएगा, चिंता मत करो। पहले से बहुत अच्छी पोजीशन है तुम्हारी, ठीक है? गुड गोइंग, keep it up. So thank you very much. I think all have taken their turns. Now I'm closing it.